Are you looking to add another passive income stream to your arsenal? Well, if you said yes, then this is gonna be the perfect video for you. Now, what's up everybody? I hope you guys are having a great day. Happy Monday. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mercedes Gomez and we talk all about different side hustles, in particular the Amazon Influencer Program. So although this video is gonna be a little bit different, I'm still gonna try my best to tie it into the Amazon Influencer Program and show you how the Amazon Influencer Program has got me to add this new super excited passive income stream to my arsenal. So this video is going to be all about how I just recently got monetized on YouTube and how I'm adding it as a passive income stream and continuing to grow it over time. Now, something that I recently saw and I really strongly agree with is that it's a whole lot easier to make an additional $10,000 versus saving $10,000. So when I heard that, I automatically knew I needed to continue to add passive income streams and continue to grow them. And then as I found new ones, I could get rid of the old ones and keep growing until I was able to quit my full-time job. Now that is the goal for me, that is the goal for my channel, and I hope that I can continue to inspire, motivate, and help you guys start as many successful side hustles as possible so that we can all eventually be financially free and quit our 9-to-5. So with that being said, I will just briefly say that I do still work a 9-to-5 job and I have a part-time job on top of that. Or on my free time, I try to find time to squeeze in the Amazon Influencer Program and this YouTube channel. Now there's so many other things that I want to do and want to add, but for right now, those are my two priorities. The Amazon Influencer Program and YouTube have been doing really good for me and I just want to continue to grow those. So you just have to find time and pick some things that you really want to prioritize and you can make it happen. Now, with the help of the Amazon Influencer Program, I started this YouTube channel to really show my results and be as transparent as possible with you guys on this side hustle. And it's done wonders for me because now YouTube can now be another side hustle or another passive income stream for me that I can soon start getting checks from and I can soon start making money and growing this thing. So I do want to talk real briefly about YouTube, how you can get monetized on YouTube, and how you can add it as a passive income stream for you. So first and foremost, you have to start a channel. Once you start a channel, there are some requirements. Now, you're not gonna get paid right off the bat. You're not gonna get paid just for starting a YouTube channel. They have really two main requirements to get monetized. Now, the first requirement is that you must get 1,000 subscribers. Once you get 1,000 subscribers and one of the two things I'm about to mention, you will be monetized on YouTube. So the next part to that, you have to either get 4,000 watched hours, meaning your subscribers or random people on YouTube have to watch 4,000 hours worth of your video content in order to get monetized, or you can get 10 million short views within a 3-month span. So if you do the 4,000 hour route, that's a whole year to accomplish that. If you go the YouTube Shorts route, you only get 3 months to accomplish that. So right off the bat, my strategy was to attack the 4,000 watched hours. I felt like that was more feasible and it aligned with my strategy a little bit better because I was creating long form content versus YouTube Shorts. So I knew I had a year to accomplish this, and so my goal was to just get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watched hours within 1 year. Now, little spoiler alert, I was able to accomplish that in just over 4 months, and it's super doable. A lot of people do not realize how doable it is and how within reach it is, and people give up or people don't even start because they don't think it's possible. Now, I'm here to tell you that you can do it, and YouTube has a really cool app called YouTube Studio where every day it kind of updates and it shows you your watched hours in like this little bar graph so you can see your progress that you're making, and it helps you attain that goal just a little bit easier. Now, I kind of want to dive into my strategy a little bit because I think my strategy was a big reason I was able to attain YouTube monetization so quickly and successfully do it. Now I want to get into my YouTube strategy. Now, I think my YouTube strategy was a huge reason why I was able to get monetized in such a quick amount of time. And I want to share that with you so that you can incorporate this, or maybe you can take this information and use it to grow your channel as quick as possible. Now, the first thing I did was I made sure to post 2 times per week, at least. I tried to do Mondays and Wednesdays because I noticed those were the 2 days that I had the most viewers. So I made sure to try to get at least 2 days worth of content per week, and I did that for about, like I said, 4 months. Now, the second part to my strategy was I tried to make my videos as long as possible. That was about 15 to 25 minutes worth of video content, and I know that sounds kind of crazy. It's like, how can you speak for that long? But you will be surprised. Just set up your camera and just speak. I found that easier for me than writing a script, and so it was just easier for me to write little keynotes, and then I would set my camera up and just talk. Now, the reason that I did this is because if I'm trying to attain 4,000 watched hours, the longer my videos, the more opportunity for people to watch, especially your really loyal subscribers. Your really loyal subscribers are gonna watch the whole video. So if you do just a 10-minute video versus a 25-minute video, that's 15 extra minutes that per subscriber that you're gonna receive by making a longer video. Now, I know what some people are gonna say, that my statistics or my YouTube analytics is gonna hurt me if people aren't watching that much of my video when I'm making these longer 25-minute type videos. Yes, that is true, and I did, through some research, I did find that my subscriber count kind of suffered from me making these longer videos. But in return, I think my watched hours went a whole lot quicker by creating these long form videos. But analytics and subscribers aside, I found that these longer videos really helped me get watch hours. And to me, when I found out the 2 requirements to getting monetized, I already knew that it was the watch hours that was gonna give me a hard time. So these long videos really helped me achieve that. The last part of my strategy was just being 100% me. I was not trying to be like anybody else. I was just genuinely trying to be as open and transparent as I could with you, and that really helped me get subscribers. People really saw who I was, saw that I wanted to help, and people really connected with me. That helped me grow big time. So that's pretty much it. That's my simple strategy to getting monetized on YouTube, and within 4 to 5 months, I did it and you can too. So since you made it this far in the video, I also want to talk about some ideas that you as an Amazon influencer could incorporate or could take and create a YouTube channel around. Now, what this does for you is it allows you to expand. Get another side hustle, add YouTube monetization to your arsenal, and not only be, reliant on the Amazon influencer program. Right now, the Amazon influencer program is kind of suffering, and there's a lot of changes that are going to be happening. So by spreading yourself out and having income from the Amazon influencer program as well as YouTube, it allows you to not be the type of person that has all your eggs in one basket. If you're just relying everything on the Amazon influencer program and it crashes, then you're gonna be in big trouble. So by adding YouTube, I think YouTube is a really good and reliable income source because it's been around for a really long time. And the really cool thing is your videos are gonna be up forever, and they're gonna be continuing to generate passive income as long as they're up on YouTube. There's videos that I posted way early on my journey on YouTube, and it's still generating money today. So this is a great new side hustle that you could add alongside the Amazon influencer program. So since you made it to the end, like I said, here are some ideas that you can use to create your YouTube channel. Number 1, you can be very niche, very specific, and pick one single topic and create a whole YouTube channel around that. For example, pet products. Pet products is something very cool that you can review on Amazon as an influencer and then turn around and make YouTube content specifically over pet products. If you want to go even more niche down, you can pick dog products, or you can pick Rottweiler dog products, and you can continue to niche down very specific so you can hone in on just one category or one single topic. By doing that, you can create a whole YouTube channel, you can gain subscribers, and you can eventually become monetized by posting consistent content. Another example would be menswear, men's accessories, maybe cooking, baking, any topic on Amazon basically that you use in the influencer program, you can create a YouTube channel around if you're knowledgeable in that specific topic. Number 2, you can do what I did and so many other Amazon influencers did, and you can document your Amazon influencer journey. This is a new program that a lot of people are interested in, and if you're funny, if you're smart, if you're intelligent, and if you're open and transparent about your journey, people will like you and people will want to watch to see what you're going through and see if it's similar to what they're experiencing. So this is a great topic to talk about on YouTube and a great idea if you're open to do it. Another idea for you is to create a YouTube channel about Amazon deals, discounts, and specials. This is a little different because it's not something that we're able to talk about as an Amazon influencer. But as a YouTuber, you can make a channel about deals, discounts, and show products that are currently on sale and go live. And that might be a really great opportunity for you to grow a YouTube channel around. The fourth option that I have for you is maybe you create a YouTube channel where you collaborate with Amazon sellers and you highlight some products that Amazon sellers are selling, or you do a podcast and you connect with Amazon sellers, or just something to do with Amazon sellers, collaborate with them, get products in return, use those products to create Amazon influencer product reviews, and then document your journey on YouTube. Create a different type of content for your YouTube channel in collaboration with Amazon sellers. This is a good idea and a different idea for me because I haven't seen anybody do it, but it's a great opportunity for you to connect with brands, connect with sellers, and receive free products. And the fifth and final option that I have for you guys, which is one that we've talked about before, is just simply taking all of your product review videos that you create for the Amazon influencer program and post those on YouTube. You'd be surprised at how many people like product review videos and how many people search for product review videos. So this is another simple option that doesn't require you to do double work because you're already creating these videos for the Amazon influencer program and pushing these out on YouTube to eventually get monetized for YouTube. So guys, I really hope you guys liked this video. I know it was a little bit different than normal, but I really tried my best to tie the Amazon influencer program into this video because I know how much the Amazon influencer means to you guys. So alongside this video, I will be starting a whole new playlist that has to do with my YouTube growth and showing you guys how much I made my first week in YouTube, my second week in YouTube, and I will continue on just like I did with the Amazon influencer program. I think this is a great opportunity to really show you guys the potential and be transparent and open with you about YouTube earnings. Just like the Amazon influencer program, I know my earnings are gonna start off really small in the beginning, but I'm gonna continue to try my best to grow this over time and really show you guys the potential that YouTube has as a side hustle. So again, thank you guys for all the support. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to this channel, turn on post notifications, and please, please, please stick around because I have so much more to offer and so many other side hustles that I want to dabble into. I think this channel is going to be a great way to really help you find side hustles to add to your collection or to add to your strategy, because adding these side hustles are going to be a huge key in us earning an extra $10,000 in a year, in a month, in a day, whatever you guys want to do. So thank you guys. And real quick before we go, I want to give a huge shout out to Hush. Hush has given me this amazing high quality embroidered merch that looks very nice and stands for a lot. This is a great small startup brand that's dedicated to promoting the art of listening. And I'm super excited to be promoting it and rocking it in today's video. So if you like the shirt that I'm wearing, make sure you check them out. I'll have a link down in my description so that you can go and purchase some amazing merch. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.